Hi, this is Mark and this is English Conversation Practice, and today we're going to express ourselves. Yes, express yourself easily. This is video 2 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series, plus bonus content. Look for, yes. So be sure to stick around for the second part's video for that bonus content. Okay, where are we going now? Oh, I don't like changing diapers. No, P-U, no, I don't like it. I don't like changing diapers. No way. All right. I don't like cleaning the bathroom. No, it's hard work. I don't like cleaning the bathroom. How about you? I don't like raking the leaves. It's too hot outside. I don't like raking the leaves. How about you? Okay. Oh, what's happening? Oh, a new set. Where do I stand? I like drawing. Yes, I do. I like it. I really like drawing. Yes, I really like it. Whoops, where are we going? Right here. I like clean shirts. Of course. How about you? I'm sure you do too. I really like clean shirts. Yes, I really like clean shirts. I like feeding the dog. Yes, I do. I have a cat though. I really like feeding the dog. How about you? Okay. All right, bonus. Look for. Here's the bonus. I'm looking for the car key. I'm looking for the car key. Have you seen it? I'm looking for my tennis bag. I'm looking for my tennis bag. I want to play later. I'm looking for the address. Where's the address? I'm looking for the address. Do you know the address? I'm looking for a Band-Aid. I'm looking for a Band-Aid. I cut myself. I need a Band-Aid. I'm looking for a parking space. I'm looking for a parking space. I have to park my car. Where? Where do I park? I'm looking for the beach. I'm looking for the beach. I want to go surfing. I'm looking for the beach. I'm looking for my sunglasses. I'm looking for my sunglasses. It's very sunny outside and I want to wear my sunglasses. I'm looking for your house. I'm looking for your house. You have a new house and I don't know where it is. Okay, great job everyone. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.